What's going on, guys? It's your boy Clean Kicks here today, and today we're just going to be going over the cleaning process of a Flight Club 91 or restoration. See, this one's pretty bad, yellowing. I do not have yellowing icy material to clean it, but I will be getting that. Just a restoration on these shoes. Pretty dirty, suede's messed up, sole pretty messed up. This one's a lot worse as soles are, so we're just gonna start with the restoration process of the shoe. First thing you're gonna want to do is take the shoelaces out. Yeah, this is a Flight Club 91 Jordan. I just bought it because it's an addition to my Jordan collection. But all you're gonna want to do is I'm using Reshoevn8r because I think it's the best. I think Reshoevn8r is the best thing to use, but you can use whatever you want. So you want to get to all-purpose brush. Since I have suede everything, get some of your material, but do not use water because suede or water will mess up suede. So get your stuff. You're gonna put it on the brush or put it in a bowl or something, and just get to scrubbing. I wish I would've got a smaller bowl. Really. I'm sure I would've got a smaller bowl. Y'all can barely see me, that's the funny thing. I'm flinging soap everywhere. Oh my god. Sorry about that. I almost spilled everything. Bro, stuff is flying everywhere. Now we're gonna start with the soles. Sides are pretty much done. Where's my towel at? Here we go. Get my towel. Sides are like pretty much done. The uppers pretty clean. The uppers weren't dirty really, cause that's like not very hard to clean. Get outside the what's it called? All right, clean that. The uppers weren't dirty, so that's the reason why it was pretty easy. Now we got to get started on the soles, and yeah, let me get some more stuff because I didn't get that much. I'm running out of this bottle. I have an extra 2 bottles though, so we're good. You want to just get that, and the soles are not that hard to clean, but because I don't think these are that dirty. The cleaning on the soles is coming along very well. There's just some spots that I do have to touch up on, and yeah, but very well cleaning so far. So just continue the process. the soles are pretty much clean now. And all I have to do is just, like, I heel drag a lot. So there's a reason why, like, this part is, like, pretty dirty. Because I heel drag. So, like, I have to get that with some Angelus white paint. But I am, like, not doing this. It's just a cleaning video. So, yeah, I'll just have to touch up with that with some white, some Angelus white paint. So yeah, that's the only thing that is not coming clean. I just have to touch up on one more thing, see if it will come off. The back of the soles came pretty clean. That was the dirtiest part of the shoe. So yeah, that would just be one more thing that I'll have to touch up with some Angelus white paint. So far the shoe is pretty clean. Now we're just gonna get going on the soles. Oh, I can use some touch up, so I might be able to use touch up to get it clean. To get the bottom of the sole and the back, because when I heel drag. I'm just gonna get clean on the suede, because my suede was pretty dirty. Because, like, sometimes when I go to school, I wear these to school sometimes. And 2 times I did wear them, it started pouring on rain when I was walking to my car. So that's one of the things that is bad for suede. Do not get water on your suede. It will mess them up. Let me get the back suede also. The back suede wasn't really dirty though. Flying on my face. Let me get a good wipe down. Once the suede dries, the suede would be pretty much clean for the most part. And shoe's pretty much done. The suede to be done once it dries. It's like still soapy, so I have to keep on wiping that with the cloth. But that's just a thing that I'll do after the video because that's not really a problem right now. Soles are clean. Besides the yellowing, I can fix that on my own time because I do not want to do that in the video. That's just doing way too much because I have to wrap it up and everything. For the most part, the shoe is clean. Nothing I can really do except for use some of my touch-up, which I might do for the soles. Just see if it will work. This is not Reshoevn8r. This isn't. But I don't know if it'll work. I'm just gonna see if it works. It's basically white paint, but let's see. Oh, it's actually working. Too bad I don't have my heat gun on me. I would have. I could just wipe. Why am I not just... I should have taped it up. Shoe is pretty much clean now. I just touched up in a couple places with this touch up, so yeah, that's all I needed to do. And so hold up 1 second, so this don't stay on my soles. Oh no, let me just wipe this off. There we go. Got that off. Let me get this off to black. Okay, the shoe is pretty much clean. So, guys, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you're new, because I had just made this channel. So, we're going to be getting a lot of more videos about shoe cleaning, give you like tips, like how to get creases out of Air Forces, because I have Air Forces, I have high tops, and I have low tops. And my shoes are not creased. This one's not creased, if you can see, like, not creased at all. But then this one's creased, and I could make a, what the fuck was that? I could make a video over that, because this one's creased. Look, I'm trying to show you. You probably can't see it though. It's like right there. It's all creased up. So I can make a video over that. Oh god. I can make a video over that, the cleaning of and the fixing of Air Force One. And yeah, guys, this is gonna be all for today. So if anything you need to know, just let me know in the comments. Tell me some tips. If you need to know how to clean something or fix something, just let me know. So guys, bye.